Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 57. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 1 here, so this is our 6. 9 here makes this our 1, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 2, 6. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this top row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here, so our 9 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 3 here, so 7, 3. For up, something's wrong here. We ended up with 2 2s in this row and 2 7s in this box. And 2 7s in this column, so I think that means this is supposed to be a 6, but then that still doesn't fix this. So maybe this was supposed to be a 6 and this was supposed to be a 2. And we'll continue on and see whether we'll be able to finish this puzzle. So this row now is missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. That 6 makes this our 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this column, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so that makes this our 5, 2. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this bottom row, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6 and 4. So it looks like that was a mistake there. But there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.